I have two nail polishes that I just purchased from Colors de Carol. This one is Bummer Summer. Under the polishes today, I will be using base coat, and I'm using Maxus base coat today. This is Bummer Summer, and it's described as a crelly. Oh, yeah, raspberry crelly. Wow, this one's really beautiful. It's just as beautiful as I hoped it would be. Well, if you have short nails like me, you will not need another coat, but I'm going to put another coat on just to see what it looks like. Here is two coats with top coat. It's so shiny, it reminds me of a gel manicure. I actually got this because I was wondering if I could use it as a crelly. I mean, yes, it is a crelly, but I was wondering if I could put glitter on it and kind of sandwich it in and make it look like a crelly, but actually I think it's way too dark to be able to do something like that. So here I am just putting, it was the Love is the Greatest Adventure topper from Colors de Carol from last year. Let's see what will happen when I put a light coat of this over the top of that. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a light coat and put it over there. And yeah, it just pretty much covers the glitter too much. So that isn't going to work in case anybody was interested in knowing that. But it is a pretty color. This one is called Xoxo, which is her one of her Valentine's Day polishes for this year. And it's one of those reflective polishes. Now let's try out Xoxo. I've been really intrigued by these reflective polishes. And when I saw this red one, I thought, ooh, kind of have to have it. And then, you know, it also has Valentine name to it, XOXO. So it kind of made me even want it more. I know. I'm so silly. Here is the second coat. Now this does kind of dry down, slightly textured and dull looking, so you are going to want a top coat. Here is two coats with top coat. This is very beautiful and super fun. It's super sparkly. I love looking at it. Here is the Reflective Glow, which is super amazing. This looks so incredible. Here is another view in a different light. So tell me what you think of these polishes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.